cabina, puede iniciar ahora.
Pues voy con el 1.
Copiado.
Start the engines. Ahora ahí en la espera hacemos los mandos de cosas.
Governor, Jumbo 321, what did you want us to block? I missed that part.
Check 2-8 Charlie, so your nose north, nose is going to be pointed towards Charlie, but don't block it before you have to.
Alright, nose pointing towards Charlie, but don't block Charlie.
Approaching 1-5 right.
There's a bunch of heavies in line in front of you there, so I'm going to wait for one non-heavy to get out there so you don't get blown around. Check you get back in Alpha, hold short of November.
Alright, thanks. Quebec, Alpha, hold short of November, 317.
Southwest 1361, give way to Air Lingus, opposite direction, and then taxi via Bravo, Zulu, on to runway 15 right, and hold short of November.
Bravo, Zulu, on to 15 right, short of November.
One away, Vision 92. I'm sorry, so stop with 2192?
Taxi down to runway 15 left, will be a left turn. Alright, taxi on 2 right and a left on 15 left, just 429.
Yeah, 62, begin to right turn, please.
To the right, here, 62.
Yeah, 62, flight 290, contact left and away, 2 right.
Si dice cross está claro.
Taxi 1 Delta Heavy, Boston Garrett, traffic on hold in position, cross from 62 ready kilo, turn right on Bravo, contact ground point 9er.
Ground point 9.
Tower, good evening, good evening, 1 Delta, on kilo, hold turn, runway 2 to right.
Taxi 1 Delta Heavy, traffic on hold in position, cross from 62 ready kilo, turn right on Bravo, contact ground point 9er.
Cross runway 2 to right, kilo, turn right, Bravo, ground 1219, good headed 1 Delta.
Cross from 62 ready kilo, contact ground point 9er.
62 ready kilo, come to ground left, 798.
L256 Heavy, contact departure, good day.
L256, hello.
Check 178 Boston Terror, what's your gate?
We're going to do 16.
So 178 taxi via Mike Foxtrot, hold short, runway 2 right.
Mike, Foxtrot, hold short, 2 right, simply 170.
16's occupied.
Thank you.
On runway 22 right.
Iberia 6166 Heavy, 121016, runway 22 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 22 right, Iberia 6166 here.
Stop at Kilo Heavy Bus, cross runway 0, departure Heavy Bus. Runway 22 right on a plane.
Negative, we need 2 left with
You have control.
I have control.
Tower, jump on 170, make my message, Charlie.
Stop at Kilo Heavy, hold short.
Manual Flex 37 SRS, auto thrust blue.
Check.
Only sharp to your right,
Thrust set.
Triple 170, I'm sorry, you take change?
That's for Charlie 31.
Triple 170, roger, hold short, runway 22 right.
100 knots.
Check. D1.
D1. What day? Positive plan.
Clear up.
Kilo Heavy, let's
Get up.
Iberia 6166 Heavy, contact departure, good day.
Today, sir.
Here, Quebec, are you direct Manchester now?
Direct Manchester, 9
First climb, auto thrust.
It's Delta 256 Heavy, confirm we're clear to climb to 14,000.
Es una cárcel.
256 Heavy, affirmative, maintain 14,000. 14,600, Delta 256. 256 Heavy, expedite to 5,000. Where are you, Delta 256 Heavy?
Vamos a climb.
Flap 1.
Amigo. Departure, good afternoon, Iberia 6166 Heavy, passing the 1600, climbing 5000.
You're 6166 Heavy, Boston departure, radar contact, climb and maintain 14,000.
14,000, 6166. Was climb
14,000 Zulu.
Altitude 56 heavy, thank you, contact approach 118.25. 1825, Delta 56 heavy. Quebec, contact approach 118.25. 118.25. Speed 82, 10 degrees left. 10 degrees left, good speed 82.
I maintain flight level 340.
To J174 to Norfolk Oscar Romeo Foxtrot. J121 to Bartle. J24 to Charlie Alpha Echo. J52 to Victor Uniform Zulu. Direct Alexandria for the Doobie 2.
Macal Crew.
United 47, read back is correct, except after Bardo is at Jet 4.
Iberia 6166, muy buenas. Continúe aproximación, pista 32 derecha.
Continuamos eso.
En final, precaución, estela turbulenta pesada, Boeing 757. Ciel 020 grados 2.
Recibidos, es muy bien. Tengo cola, pero 5 rodillos. Como siempre.
Bueno, parece que va a liberar.
Iberia 6166, precedente en pista, va a abandonar en breve, espere autorización en corta final.
Recibidos esos nueces.
Kilo Traffic 9 at 30 to the left, Kilo Charlie, Alpha Vector.
500.
Nosotros detrás no.
Iberia 6166, pista 32 derecha, autorizado a aterrizar, viento 360 grados 2 nudos.
Aterrizar 3 derechas. Es un 6. Nivel de viento de cola 8. Ahora de cola de la derecha.
200. 100. 70. 60. 50. 40. 30. 20. Retard. 10.
Iberia 6250, muy buenas. Continúe aproximación, pista 32 derecha.
Fueron spoilers.
Y el viento cambia.
Reverse green. Diesel.